yourself, Gurugram, the most iconic address on Dwarka Expressway is finally here. Signature Global has changed the way Gurugram reads. Now it's redefined how Gurugram speaks. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gurgaon State, and my name is Avantika and I hope you all are doing very well. So get ready Gurugram, this wait is finally over because what is coming now is not just a home, it's a wellness revolution on Dwarka Expressway. Presenting Signature Global DXP State, the biggest launch ever on Dwarka Expressway. Across a massive 13.56 acres of pure living and peace. Here, every square foot defines elegance. Choose from 3 BHK and 3 BHK plus utility premium residential, spanning 1,800 to 2,200 square feet. A lifestyle crafted for those who demand more. With the 11 exclusive tower, this isn't just another address, it's a landmark in the making. A home that breathes luxury, peace and sophistication. Signature Global brings Gurugram's first ever wellness concept project designed to nurture your body, mind and soul. So let's talk about a grand iconic clubhouse where you're gonna experience world-class luxury with brands that you have only dreamed of. Tedworth Spa, a global wellness brand across 115 five-star hotels, now creating an exclusive renewed space right with DXP State. Michael Phelps Swimming Academy trains like an Olympian with world-class swimming and fitness coaching, guided by the legacy of the legend himself. And the amazing thing is that Metric by Tiger Shroff, where fitness meets rhythm, power meets performance, and unlimited fusion of dance, strength and energy. She Yoga by Abhay Jeva Khedas experience the purity of authentic Iyengar yoga, restoring balance and inner space. Ajiva Sen Music Academy by the Suresh Warkar feels the power of music therapy because music heals the soul. So let's talk about the important topic of this project that is located at a very prime location. So let's talk about a very important information of this project. This project is located at a very prime location bang on Dwarka Expressway DXP State, connect directly to the heartbeat of the Gurugram and Delhi NCR. Sectors 37D, a prime address surrounded by the top schools, healthcare, malls and business hubs. From luxury to location, everything is here in the grand perfectly. From luxury to location everything is here in grand perfectly, aligned with your lifestyle inspiration. Let's talk about amenities. Step into an iconic lifestyle where wellness meets elegance. Lush green landscape, skyline, view of a spacious balcony. The skyline view from spacious balcony, design modular kitchen, fully air conditional comfort, grand clubhouse, pool deck, meditation zone and art corner, all built for a balance and bless. With just 10 lakh EOI, you can claim your place in Gurugram of the most awaited project. Whether you are an investor looking for a growth and a family seeking, so are you ready to elevate your lifestyle to live where the wellness is a way to live, not just an amity? This is not just a project. It's a signature global DXP state where the every sunrise feels like new beginning. So call now to book your experience of interest and be the part of Gurugram's most iconic launch. For knowing more details of this project, you can contact us through given below the number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
गुड़गांव रियल एस्टेट की लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए गुड़गांव एस्टेट को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।